Hello everyone and welcome back to Sinful Gourmet, and today we're preparing methi keema. So let's take a look at the ingredients. We've taken half a kg mutton keema. This is washed properly 3 to 4 times. We've taken methi. This is the leafy vegetable. We have 2 onions. We have some green chilies, 1 tomato, 1 big tomato, some ginger garlic paste. We have raw spices, that is shahjeera, bay leaves, cinnamon, cloves, black cardamom, green cardamom and black pepper. And we have masalas, that is coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric, garam masala and some salt. So let's start preparing the methi keema. So we've heated a kadhai and now we'll add some oil. We'll add the raw spices, bay leaves, cinnamon, green cardamom, pepper, cloves, black cardamom and shahjeera. Now we'll add the onions. And we'll add the green chilies. We'll fry the onions till they turn a bit pink. So you can see the onions are now they've turned pink, and now we'll add the ginger garlic paste. We'll fry the ginger garlic for around 1 or 2 minutes. Now it's been a minute. The ginger garlic paste is, we fried the ginger garlic paste. Now we'll add the turmeric. Coriander powder. Red chili powder, we'll add tomatoes, we'll add some garam masala, we'll add some salt, and now we'll add the keema. Now we'll mix this well. We'll fry the keema on a high flame for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once that is done, the keema will start releasing the water, and we'll again cook it for around 5 minutes more.
So
it's been 5 minutes that the keema was getting fried on a high flame, and the keema has started releasing the water. We'll cook it for around 5 minutes more on a high flame, and then we'll put in some hot water. So we've cooked the keema on a high flame for around 10 to 12 minutes. Now we'll add some hot water. This is around 2 glasses of hot water. This is done so that the keema cooks fast. Now we'll cook the keema on a low flame for around 15 to 20 minutes. So it has been 15 to 20 minutes, and let's check on the keema. So we let the keema cook for some more time. Let the water gets dried up, and we'll cook it again for like 15 minutes more. So it's been now 15 to 20 minutes, and now let's check on the keema. Okay, so the water quantity also has reduced. Now we'll add the methi. Okay, and now we'll cover the lid and let it cook for around 5 to 7 minutes. Now it's been 5 to 7 minutes. Now let's check on the keema. Okay, so methi also has released some water. So for another 5 minutes more, 5 to 7 minutes more, we'll just cook it without the lid, and then the keema will be ready. So for 5 to 7 minutes more, we'll cook it. So you can see now the methi is also cooked and the keema is also cooked, and the methi keema is now ready, and this looks absolutely yum. Please do try this recipe. You can have this with either a bhakri, chapati, or any other bread of your choice. So now let's plate this up.
Hope you have liked this recipe, and I know you would definitely try this. Do let us know in the comments section. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get notified for the new recipes. See you soon with another delectable and yummy recipe, and until then, happy gourmet.